Hello friends, welcome to the CapCut video editing tutorial. Today we'll be focusing on masking transitions. In this tutorial, I'll show how to combine effects and masking transitions for a polished look. Let's start the tutorial together step by step. I have imported a video to the timeline. I will add 3 effects to the video at the 2 second, 8 second and 14 second marks. Each effect will last for 5 seconds. Let's add effects. First, I have added a sketch effects. Place it at 2 seconds and set the duration of the effect to 5 seconds. I have reduced the atmosphere value of the mask to 20. Now I have added 2 more effects at 8 seconds and 14 seconds. Also set their duration to 5 seconds. When I play the video, it looks like this. Select all the elements and create a compound clip. Move the compound clip to the above video track. I have added a yellow background image and adjusted the duration. Hide the compound clip. Add the horizontal mask to the yellow background and rotate it 90 degrees. Set the position X value of the mask to -770. Add 4 keyframes to the mask position at 2, 4, 5 and 7 seconds. At 2 seconds, set the X position value to 950. At 7 seconds, set the X position value to 950. Unhide the top video track. Add the horizontal mask to the video. Rotate the mask to 90 degrees. Set the position X value of the mask to -760. The position of the video and yellow background should look like this. Add 4 keyframes to the video's mask position at 2, 4, 5 and 7 seconds. At 2 seconds, set the X position value to 960. At 7 seconds, set the X position value to 960. Move the video and the image to one track above. Add the video again to the timeline. The yellow border is currently visible from the starting point. I would prefer it to appear only when the transition starts. Select the yellow background. At 0 seconds, add keyframes to the opacity and set the value to 0. At 1 second and 20 frames, add another keyframe to the opacity. At 2 seconds, set the opacity value to 100. When I play the video, it looks like this. Now I will apply the same task again starting from 8 seconds. Add 4 keyframes to the mask position at 8, 10, 11 and 13 seconds. At 10 and 11 seconds, set the X position value to -770. Add 4 keyframes to the video's mask position at 8, 10, 11 and 13 seconds. At 10 and 11 seconds, set the X position value to -760. I repeated the same task starting from 14 seconds. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you all for watching. Remember to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so never miss an update. Until next time, take care.